How to add someone when they blocked you on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your Roblox account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top right, you'll find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the name of the person whom you want to add and then search for it. With that, the profile of that person will appear. Now go ahead and click on this add option. So you can see that you won't be able to add this person as this person has blocked you. As if right now, there is no such way to add anyone on Roblox if they have blocked you. If someone has blocked you on Roblox, it's best to respect their privacy and avoid attempting to add them again. Instead, focus on interacting positively with other users within the Roblox community. The only thing you can do is open a new account and try to contact them. I hope now you guys are clear if you can add someone when they blocked you on Roblox or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.